regional divisions on the basis of growth rate. Dear students, here we have some regional divisions. There we have low population growth, moderate population growth and high population growth. Let me see the areas of low population growth first. Developed countries like USA, Canada, Japan, Australia, New Zealand and the countries of Western Europe have very low growth rate. Here the growth rate of population is measured below 1%. The low growth rate in these regions are due to very low birth rate and low death rate. Now let me see areas of moderate birth rate. This category includes the countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Brazil, Bolivia, Mongolia and many of the African countries and Latin American countries. Here the growth rate is between 2% to 3%. Most of the developing countries have experienced a marked decline in death rate, though the birth rates still continue to be very high. However, some countries in this group such as India and China have shown a declining trend in growth rate and consequently the population growth rate also. Finally, let me see the areas of very high population growth rate. Countries like Afghanistan, Mexico, Iran, Colombia, Venezuela, Peru, Libya, Algeria, Sudan, Kenya and Kuwait. These are the countries where we have very high population growth in last few decades. In fact, most of the African countries fall in this group. Generally, it is accepted that there is close relationship between level of economic development and the population growth. It is observed that countries with high economic growth has low population growth. At the same time, countries with low level of economic growth have very high population growth rate. Most of the developing countries have moderate and generally declining growth rate.